Planning your dream vacation just got a whole lot easier and cheaper. Today, we're diving deep into how to unlock the full potential of your RBC Avion points for unbelievable travel rewards, turning those points into unforgettable experiences. First stop, RBC Rewards website. Log into your RBC online banking and navigate to your Avion Rewards section. This is where your points balance lives and where the magic begins. Now, let's talk strategy. While you can redeem points for merchandise or gift cards, the real value lies in travel. We're talking flights and hotels. Maximizing point redemption for these is the key. RBC offers its own travel booking tool. Explore flight options right within the portal. Just enter your destinations and dates to see flight options. Pay attention to the points required and compare them against the cash value of the flight. But that's not all. The real hidden gem is transferring through RBC Avion's points grid to partner loyalty programs like WestJet Rewards or British Airways for potentially even greater value on flights and accommodations through their platforms. Explore partner programs to see promotions. Booking hotels directly through the RBC Rewards site is generally straightforward. However, compare rates across other travel booking platforms to ensure you're getting the best deal. Pro tip: keep an eye on potential points transfer bonuses from RBC to its partners. This can significantly increase the value of your points, allowing you to stretch your points even further when booking through partner websites. So, there you have it. With a little know-how, your RBC Avion points can unlock a world of travel possibilities. Now go out there and plan your dream vacation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.